Dear students, what is angle of intersection between two curves? Angle of intersection between two curves is given by a simple formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 by m1 m2. Using this we can find out theta. But what if one curve is a curve and another one is a line? You have to think here. Look at the question. The question is very simple. X square plus y square is equal to pi square by 16 meets y is equal to pi by 3x. Then angle between two curves is pi by 4, pi by 2, pi by 3 and 0. If you observe carefully, dear students, looks like a complicated question, first thing. And second thing is, here I have used the word two curves. Two curves means line is also a curve, right? Anyway, the first one is clearly a circle, right? Do you agree with me? The first one is a circle. What is the radius of this circle, dear students? What is the radius of the circle? That is clearly pi by 4. Because x square plus y square is equal to a square, radius is pi by 4. And the line is y is equal to pi by 3x. That is of the type y is equal to mx. Is that correct? Now, angle between the two curves is nothing but angle between the two curves is nothing but angle between this line and the tangent at that point. What is that? That angle is nothing but equal to this. The tangent is 90 degree. The reason is this is normal. Why this is normal? Because it is passing through origin. Any line passing through origin need not be a normal to the circle, but the line is passing through the center of the circle. A line passing through the center of the circle is called as normal. Therefore, this is normal to the circle and this is tangent to the circle. So, angle between tangent and normal is pi by 2. Therefore, option B is correct. Dear students, what do you mean by vertical tangent? Vertical tangent means the line which is perpendicular to x-axis. A line which is perpendicular to x-axis must have slope is equal to infinite. dy by dx must be equal to infinity, or dx by dy is equal to 0. This is concept number 1. Second important concept that you must know here is, dear students, if an equation is given and you are asked to find out some particular points, try to substitute those points in the given equation. If it satisfies, it will stay in the race, otherwise it is not. So that is the method of common sense. Look at this question, dear students. The curve y minus e power xy plus x is equal to 0 has vertical tangents at the point option A origin, option B 1, 1, option C 0, 1 and option D 1, 0. Interchanging x and y, the equation remains same. That's one particular information that you should know. And very importantly, let us say, assume option A is correct. If option A is correct, then origin should satisfy this equation 0 minus e power 0 plus 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0 is not equal to 0, it is equal to 1, therefore option A is ruled out. What about option B? 1 minus e power 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus e is not equal to 0. Option B is ruled out. Either option C or option D should be correct. If I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, definitely you will get yes. Option C may be correct, even option D also may be correct. Because put x is equal to 0, what happens is 0 and y is 1. 1 minus e power 0 plus 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, 0 minus 1 plus 1 is also 0. Therefore, either C or D must be correct. We have reduced 4 options to 2 options now. Right. Coming back to the question here, y is equal to e power xy minus x or y minus e power xy plus x is equal to 0. Now, differentiate with respect to y, not with respect to x, because we need dx by dy and we have to equate dx by dy to 0. Therefore, differentiate with respect to y. Therefore, dy by dy plus, I will differentiate this first, plus dx by dy minus e power xy, differentiation of e power xy is e power xy into xy should be differentiated. What is differentiation of xy with respect to y? X into dy by dy, that will give us x into dy by dy is x into 1 plus y into dx by dy, that is equal to 0. It is given, right? Now what we have to do? Dy by dy is equal to 1 and of course now put dx by dy is equal to 0. What happens? So 1 plus dx by dy, I am making it as 0 minus e power xy, let it be as it is, e power xy. This is into x plus y into dx by dy. Dx by dy, I am making it as 0, is equal to 0. This implies what? That clearly implies 1 minus, in place of this, I am writing x plus y into x is equal to 0. Where did you get this x plus y, dear students? You can see here, e power xy is equal to y plus x. Therefore, I am writing x plus y by shifting e power xy to right hand side. Now, 1 minus x plus y into x is equal to 0. Which of option C or B, D is correct is the question here. Now, assume option C is correct. What you will get here? If C is correct, what happens? 1 minus x is 0, y is 1. 1 minus 0 plus 1 into x is 0. 0 is equal to 1 and not equal to 0. Therefore, that clearly says option C is ruled out. What about option D? Option D must be correct, but however, we are not going to lose anything by verification. So, option D is what? Option D is very, very simple. Look at this. 1 minus x is what? X is 1. 1 minus 1 plus 0 into 1. Is it correct? 1 minus 1 plus 0. 1 minus 1 into 1 is clearly equal to 0. Therefore, that clearly says option D is correct. Look at the question, dear students. Area of the triangle formed by normal to the curve x is equal to e power sin y at 1, 0 with the coordinate axis is option A 1 by 4, option B 1 by 2, option C 3 by 4 and option D is equal to 1. Dear students, if you observe carefully, we have x is equal to sin y. X is equal to sin y is same as log x is equal to y. Do you agree with me? Log x is equal to sin y. Where did you get this, dear students? Apply log both the sides. Log x is equal to sin y. This clearly implies if we differentiate What is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 over x. What is differentiation of sin y? That is cos y into y dash. Is that correct? Cos y into y dash. So therefore, y dash is clearly equal to 1 over x cos y. Is that correct? Or therefore, minus 1 by y dash is equal to x cos y. Do you agree with me? Minus 1 by y dash is minus x cos y. Now, this is nothing but slope of normal. What is equation of normal? Equation of normal is given by y minus y1, y minus y1. What is x1 and what is y1? They have already given 1 comma 0. Therefore, y minus 0 because y1 is 0 is equal to slope. What is slope? Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. We will get. So, minus 1 by y dash will be definitely equal to minus 1. The reason is put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So, therefore, minus 1 times x minus 1. Is that correct? X minus 1. The reason is the point is 1 comma 0. This clearly implies shift this to left hand side. So, you will get x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. Anybody can answer this, dear students. The line x plus y is equal to 1, which makes equal intercept with positive direction of x axis, will make a triangle which form an isosceles triangle. You can observe one thing, dear students. This is y axis, this is y axis, this is x axis, and the line x plus y is equal to 1 is clearly like this, where this point is 1 comma 0, this point is 0 comma 1. What is this length? 1 unit. What is this length? 1 unit. What is this area is a question. This area is given by half into base into height. Half into what is base? Base is 1 unit. What is height? Height is also 1 unit. 1 into 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 units. Therefore, which option is correct? If you look at carefully, if you observe carefully, we will get option B is correct for this. Understood this? Yes, please make a note of this.